Who the hell? Wait. You're Glarses, aren't you? I should probably call the police right now, but you are just the person I want to see. Dude, I literally just DM'd you like 5 minutes ago. I've been trying to figure out the best switch for this new keyboard I was buying. Man, I've been going back and forth for days. Like, do I get ink blacks? Do I get alpacas? But holy pandas sound nice. Oh, I actually don't know. Like, I just really want to make sure I get the best. You know, I didn't think I'd be desoldering a human today, but here I am. Whoa, why, what did I do? Dude, I was literally just trying to find out what the best switch for my keyboard is. Why did you just do that? Oh, did you not ask me to slap you across the face with my desoldering gun? Yes, you just said slap me across the face with my desoldering gun. Did you? How did you? Okay, let me explain, right? I just built a really high performance gaming PC, right? I learned about custom keyboards, and now I want to build the highest performing keyboard. Your face is really oily. Why do you keep doing this? Do you like the t-shirt you're wearing? What? I mean, yeah, I guess it's one of my favorites. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty... That's your new favorite t-shirt. That's the best t-shirt you now own. What? That is now the best t-shirt you own. No, it's not. It is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not! Oh, right. Do you prefer the t-shirt you're wearing more to the one that I gave you? Yeah, way more. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. You can have your shirt back, by the way. What did I do now? Why do you like your shirt more than mine? I don't know. I just... For what reason is the shirt on your body better than the one that was previously on mine? Because it feels nice. It feels nice on my body, and I like the color, and... Oh. Yeah. Oh. Took you long enough, didn't it? Which is why there's no best keyboard switch. Because people have completely different preferences about what they want to feel and sound. Oh, I get it now. Just out of curiosity, before you go, what's your favorite keyboard switch? What did you just say? Nothing. I didn't say anything. What did you say? I want to know your favorite switch so I can use that to box you what the best switch is. Please don't, no! Ah!